I am Vivek, Mathematics faculty. Today we will discuss plus 1 plus 2 intermediate level. Topic is circles. First we will define the circle. Consider a fixed point C. Consider another point P1 at a distance R from C. Not only this point, you can take number of points which are at the same distance R from C like this. All these are the points. Take these points as a set P1, P2, P3 and so on. This set of points is called a circle. So what's the definition of a circle? The set of points which are at a constant distance or from a fixed point C is called a circle. The fixed point C is called center and the fixed distance R is called radius. Now we will prove a theorem. Write the theorem statement. Before the theorem, first we will write a formula that is from the first year. If A is the point x1 comma y1 and B is the point x2 comma y2, then distance between A and B is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If you squaring on both sides, then you can get AB square equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now write the theorem statement. Equation of a circle with center CH comma K and radius R is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Proof for this one. Consider the circle. Center of this circle is C H comma K and radius of this circle is R. Here take a point P whose coordinates are x comma y. If you observe this diagram, then you can get CP equal to R. By squaring on both sides, CP square equal to R square. You know the coordinates of C. C coordinates are h comma k and p coordinates are x comma y. You need CP square. For this one you use the formula AB square equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So in the place of x2, y2, you can substitute xy. In the place of x1, y1, you can substitute hk. Now by substituting, you can get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the equation of the circle with the center CH comma K and radius R. Suppose center of the circle is C0 comma 0 and radius is R. In the place of H comma K, you can substitute 0 comma 0. So you can get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to R square. From this one you can get x square plus y square equal to r square. So this is the equation of the circle with the center C0, 0 and radius r. This equation is called the standard form of the circle. Now we consider this equation means x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Expand this. You can expand x minus h whole square by using the formula a minus b whole square. So you can get x square plus h square minus 2hx. You can expand this also by using the same formula a minus b whole square. You can get y square plus k square minus 2ky equal to r square. Employees, write this is in proper order. Proper order means first we have to write x square term, then y square term, then x term, then y term, then constant. X square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus r square equal to 0. Now if we observe this equation, you can get some points. What's that point? Points are degree of this term is 2, degree of this term is 2 and 2 is the constant, degree is 0, h is the constant, degree is 0, x degree is 1, 0 plus 0 plus 1 becomes 1, so degree of this term is 1. Similarly, degree of this term is also 1 because 2 is the constant, k is the constant, y degree is 1. H square is the constant, degree is 0, k square is the constant, degree is 0, r square is the constant, degree is 0. In all these degrees, what's the highest degree is 2. That's why equation of circle is a second degree equation in x and y. This is the first point. Equation of circle is a second degree equation in x and y. Once again see this equation. In this equation coefficient of x square is 1 and coefficient of y square is 1, 1 equal to 1. Means coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. This is the second property. Once again see this equation. You can write this equation as x square plus y square plus 0 into xy minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus r square equal to 0. If we observe this term, coefficient of xy is 0. This is the third property. Coefficient of xy equal to 0. Now you have three properties. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. With these three properties, you can decide any equation, is that the equation of a circle or not. For example, if you take x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, is this is the equation of the circle or not? For this one you have to verify these three properties. What are these three properties? It must be a second degree equation in x and y. Here this is not the second degree equation, that's why this is not the equation of a circle. Take one more example. 2x square plus y square plus x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. You have to decide, is this the equation of the circle or not? For that one you have to verify again these three properties. It is a second degree equation in x and y, first property is satisfied. But here coefficient of x square is 2 and coefficient of y square is 1. Coefficient of x square is not equal to coefficient of y square, that's why it is not the equation of a circle. Take one more example. X square plus y square plus 2xy plus x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. You have to decide, is this the equation of a circle or not? Verify these three properties. It's a second degree equation in x and y, first property is satisfied. And coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of y square is 1, coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square, second property is satisfied. And here coefficient of xy is 2, but our property is coefficient of xy equal to 0. So it is not a circle equation. Take one more example. X square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now you have to decide, is this the equation of the circle? Verify these three properties. It's a second degree equation in x and y, first property is satisfied. Here coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of y square is 1. So coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. So second property is satisfied. And there is no xy term here. So coefficient of xy is 0. Third property is also satisfied. So this is the equation of a circle.